Okay, I don't know if anybody remembers my video I did last year of the Craftsman 1 20-inch lawnmower that I had. The problem with it was the primer bulb was torn, and I ended up fixing that with a rubber plug that I found in the basement and an old pop bottle cap jammed into there. So set the camera down and we'll fire it up. So it runs pretty good, considering that I've done nothing to it but add oil to it, and gas obviously. But there we go. It's a basic, I think it's a low budget model Craftsman from probably about 1985, 86. The date on the certification tag is 1984. It's a model 917-380-200, and I'm guessing it's a budget model because I mean it doesn't even have rubber wheels. It's just has plastic wheels. But yeah, so there we have it. Sears Craftsman 20-inch push mower.